So it's now the 10th of November, and it was a pretty bad week to be honest. There was only 28 dividend payments for a total of €6.20 and a total of 40 cent in interest for a total of €6.60. But before I go into that, I want to bring your attention to Diageo stock. Ticker symbol is DGE. It's currently £28.49 per share, and it dropped about 12% today. But it just means it's cheaper than it was yesterday. So a lot of you have probably heard of it already. Some of you may not have. It's a popular one as far as dividend stocks go, and it's getting even more enticing the lower it goes. Have a look at it anyway and see what you think. So as of today, there's €905 in dividends received. The realised profit hasn't changed. It's still €409. And I decided to deposit the €1,000 emergency fund that I had. So that's also earning a little bit of interest every day. So these are all of the best performing positions, and it's pretty much the same as last week. Frontline is still number one, but it's only 220% up now. And these are all of the worst performing positions, so not a lot of change. The list of the largest positions also remains the same. Realty Income is number one, and these are all of the smallest positions. This top one is brand new. It's from a spin-off of WP Carey stock. And then the newest positions, I did add a position in VICI properties for the first time. I invested €20. This is another very popular one, so we'll see how that does over the years. It's a real estate investment trust, doing quite well at the moment. So on Monday the 6th of November, there was 4 dividend payments for a total of 30 cent, and there was 15 cent in interest paid. So the lending interest is around about the same as it was, but now that there's €1,000 emergency fund in the portfolio, it earns about 3 cent a day. Then the 7th of November, there was 7 cent in interest between lending and interest on cash. And then there was 6 dividend payments for a total of €1.33. Then Wednesday the 8th of November, there was 3 dividend payments for €1.84, and there was 7 cent in interest payments again. Then yesterday, Thursday the 9th, there was 7 cent in interest, and it was a little bit eventful with dividends. There was a total of 10 dividend payments, and it paid €1.84 between them. And then today, Friday, there was 5 dividend payments for a total of 33 cent, and there was only the 4 cent lending interest for some reason. So I'll probably get the interest on cash on Monday or maybe tomorrow. So the lending interest comes in 1 o'clock in the morning, and then the cash comes in about 10 o'clock at night. So the portfolio overall is now about 8% down, which means it's dropped down a further 2% since last week. And there's a total of 730 investments, but one of those is PayPal, which doesn't pay a dividend, so 729 dividend payers. And I've also made a decision on the pie of all the monthly paying stocks. That's this one here. I'm actually going to get rid of it, because the whole purpose of a pie is that I can invest a lump sum and then it will divide it out between them. But the problem with this is that so many of them are so risky that it's like throwing money into a fire at the moment. Not a good idea. There's a few of them here that I'm no confidence in, without naming and shaming them. So I'm going to export all of these positions, put them down into normal A to Z pies, and then that will free up one slot to create a new pie, because I've currently got the maximum amount of pies that Trading 212 allows. So I'll export all of these out, like so, and then I'll make a decision on what I'll turn this pie into, but I'm going to delete this monthly payers pie, because it's not really safe at the moment. I did spend a while bulking up the monthly paying positions, so I've already taken the risk and I don't want to take any more with these in particular. It is also payday, so I deposited €100, but I think I'm just going to leave that in there until I know what I'm going to invest it into. I did say I was going to do the Noble 30 pie, get that up to date for 2023, but I think I'll wait until things have calmed down a little bit, or until something really catches my eye. And if I can't find anything, I'll probably just put it into the Dividend Kings or the Dividend Titans pie, which in my own opinion is the safest you can really get at the moment. Anyway, that's all for this one, and we'll pick up where we left off next week.